Hey, okay, back again unexpectedly. So essentially what I've just done is I've uploaded the video to YouTube, right? And I've just noticed that for certain of the clips which I recorded with Tella, the sound is just a noise, like a complete noise. You can't hear me saying anything, the subtitles don't work, and it's just me clicking around the screen. So I actually recorded something more than 3.5 hours long today. Let me just check actually the timestamp. Hello, Merry Monday, and welcome to day 5. So, 327. Starting to feel a little bit more confident. 327. You can hear that, right? So 3.5 hours. Sorry about that. I'm sure that wasn't a pleasant sound. So I've just deleted those clips from the video, and I'm going to have a look tonight to see if there's anything important happening in those sections, and if there is, I'll explain it tomorrow. Essentially, I think the main parts are sort of saved. Hopefully this part uploads correctly. I tried to look into how Tella is storing stuff on my machine, because I know that it caches stuff and uploads it. So I was thinking maybe if I could get to those cached files, if they were still there, I could save them, but nope, they're gone. So yeah, there's nothing I can do to save that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to link, since it's already uploaded to YouTube, it's a hidden link. In case anyone wants to watch that clip, those clips muted for whatever reason, I will link those in the video which I will upload now, which is just sort of condensed with this clip on the end. And that's it. Sorry.